Good morning students, I welcome you all for the online classes of business studies. Myself Padmaja. Today we will be going to learn the topic classification of business activities. See here students, business activity means those activity which is done by the businessman. These activities can be classified on various bases. The common basis of classification can be done on the basis of function. Classification on the basis of functions can be done into two categories, that is industry and commerce. Let's have a look at the flowchart of the business activities classification. Business activities mainly classified into two, that is industry and commerce. This industry is that place where the goods are brought and converted into finished products. These industries are of three types: primary industry, secondary industry, tertiary industry. Primary industry are of two types: extractive industry, genetic industry. Same way, secondary industry is also two types: manufacturing and constructive industry. Whereas tertiary industry is of five types: transport, banking, communication, insurance and advertising. Same way, commerce has been classified into two, that is trade, aids to trade. Trade has been classified into two: internal trade, external trade. Internal trades are of two types: retailers, wholesaler. Whereas external trade are of three types: export, import and entrepôts. In the second section of commerce, it comes to aids to trade. Again we can see the same things are there which was in the tertiary industry. You can say that industry are basically classified into two, that is primary and secondary. This tertiary industry is a mix up of the the industry which helps both the primary and secondary industry. And the same industry, aids means help to trade, which is the second section of commerce. In here also, transport, communication, banking and finance, insurance, advertising are there. Industry, its meaning and types. Industry refers to an activity which converts raw material into useful products. Industry includes activities related to production and processing, as well as activities related to rearing and reproduction of animals or other living species. So you can say here it is that industry which convert the raw material which is of any type into finished products. The purpose of industry is to create form utility. Form utility means giving shape that to a product that can be utilized by the consumers. So by converting raw material into finished products, industry makes the main use of the product. The term industry is also used to refer to a group of firms producing similar or related goods. For example, textile industry refers to all the production units related to cloth manufacturing. Cement industry refers to all the firms manufacturing the cement. Industry may produce consumer goods or capital goods. Now it is the question, what do you mean by consumer goods and the capital goods? Consumer goods are those goods which are produced by the industry and directly consumed by the consumer. Example, soap, oil, etc. Whereas capital goods are those goods which are produced by the industry for the production of other goods. Like for example, machinery, tools, equipments. These are the things considered as capital goods. So goods such as bread, butter, cloth, radio, etc. are consumer goods. These goods are directly used by the consumer. Goods such as machinery, cement, etc. are called capital goods, as these are used further in the production process to make useful products. Industry can be classified into two broad categories. The very first is the primary industry and the second is the secondary industry. Primary industry. The industry includes all those industries which are concerned with extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species. That industry is considered as primary industry. So here basically we can see the two things, that is extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species. This is done by the primary industries. Extractive. Now this primary industry is also classified into two, that is very first is the extractive industry and second is the genetic industry. Extractive industries are those industries which involve extraction of something from natural resources such as minerals from earth. So this industry, that's why it is called as extractive industry, because it does the work of extraction of something from the natural resources which can be utilized by the consumers. Example can be the earth, fish, rivers and sea. The product of extractive industry can be directly used or become the raw material for the other industries. Genetic industry. The industry involved in the activities of rearing and breeding of living organisms. Example, birds, plants, animals, etc. are known as genetic industry. So these industries make the development of the living organisms. And like for example, from birds can be sold, plants, the raw materials like fruits, flowers, this can be utilized for many medicinal and other purpose. These are the industry which does the work of generation of living organisms. So this industry, that's why is considered as genetic industry. Example can be the rearing of cattle for milk, dairy farms, poultry farms, rearing of plants is necessary, etc. Second comes the secondary industry. Secondary industry makes use of products which are extracted and produced by primary industry as their raw materials and produce finished products. So you can say these are those industry which makes the utilization of the goods which are produced by the primary industry, and after consuming from that industry they convert the product into finished product. So that industry is considered secondary industry. Example, mining of iron ore is done in primary industry, but steel manufacturing which is done from this iron ore is done in the secondary industry. So this is the secondary industry which takes the raw material from the primary industry and convert it into another form of finished product. Now this secondary industry is classified into three, that is manufacturing industries, construction industries, tertiary or service industry. Manufacturing industries. These industries are engaged in the process of conversion of raw materials or semi-finished goods into finished goods. These industries creates form utility by changing form of raw materials into finished products. For example, timber is converted into furniture, iron and steel, sugarcane into sugar, cotton into cloth, etc. So these are the examples of manufacturing industry. This industry is, that's why considered as manufacturing, because it does the manufacturing of products from the raw materials. The manufacturing industry is produce two types of goods. Very first is the consumer goods and the second is the industrial goods. We will start with the consumer goods. The goods which can be directly consumed by the consumer are known as consumer goods. These goods are used for day-to-day consumption. For example, cloth, oil, soap, bread, etc. These industries are considered as consumer. These products are considered as consumer goods. Industrial goods. The goods which are produced for industrial or manufacturing consumer goods are known as industrial goods, like machinery. These are the industries which produce that product which is used by the another industry for the production of finished products. Examples are machinery, equipment, tools, etc., which are required to manufacture consumer goods. Manufacturing industries are of following types. Very first is analytical industry, second is synthetic industry. In analytical industry, the basic raw material is broken into different parts to produce finished products. For example, crude oil is processed and many finished products such as petroleum, diesel, kerosene oil, gasoline oil, etc. are manufactured. So this industry is considered as analytical industry, which makes the basic raw material is broken into many. One of the basic example is given crude oil. In the manufacture of crude oil, various types of products are taken out, and that products are again used as a finished product for the production of many other things. Synthetic industry. In synthetic industry, two or more materials are mixed to manufacture some new products. For example, various chemicals are mixed to produce soap, paints, cosmetics, etc. So this is the industry which makes the utilization of two or more materials and convert into new product. Next is the processing industry. In processing industry, the raw material is processed through various stages of production and then finished goods are manufactured. For example, textile industry, iron and steel industry, sugar industry, etc. This industry is considered as processing industry, in which various processes are there for the production of one finished product. That industry is considered as processing industry. Assembly industry, as the name is assembly. Here the industry makes the assemble of various products from different industries and give a form of finished product. So in the assembly industry, the various finished products are combined to produce a new finished product. The better example can be the computer, where each and every part of the computer is made by different industries, and one of the company assembled all these products and give the shape of computer. Same way, television, watches, automobiles, car, etc. can be the example of this industry. Next is the construction industry. These industries are concerned with the construction of building, dams, roads, etc. These industries use the products of manufacturing industries such as cement, iron and steel line, etc. The unique feature of these industries is that their products cannot be transferred or shifted to the market. They are constructed and remain at a fixed site only. The example can be the home in which you are living. In this home cannot be moved from one place to another. This is the example of the construction industry has with various types of raw materials. The finished product home has been provided to you. So this was a classification of industry. In short, if we want to see the industry, what we have learned, we can see there industry. The classification of industry is given with the help of graph, flow chart. Not by the graph, it is given by the flow chart. We can see the flow chart. Very first is the primary industry, second is the secondary industry. Primary industry classified into two, genetic and extractive industry. The various examples of this industry: genetic industry, breeding of cattle and birds; pisciculture, dairy farming, nursery. Extractive industry, the examples are mining, fishing, timber cuttings. Secondary industry, the example is classified into two, manufacturing and constructive industry. In manufacturing, the examples are analytical, synthetic, assembly and processing. Whereas in constructive industry, the examples are road construction, dam construction, bridge construction and so on. Industries, tertiary industry, we not started. Here it is given transport, banking, communication, insurance and advertising. These 5 industries help the primary and secondary industry to do their work smoothly. As without transportation, the raw materials cannot be brought to the primary and same to the secondary industry. So it is very important. Banking, many of the cases industry require finance. So these banks provide them easy finance facility. So banks are very important, which comes in the tertiary industries. Communication, as every goods sale needs advertisement to be done, which is done through the way of communication. Insurance, yes, definitely business is not done for a small amount, it is done for a large amount. So for that a large amount risk, insurance is needed. So insurance company help the industry to take big risk and to do big production so as to earn more profit. Advertising, yes, definitely advertising is needed, as we already learned in the communication. So advertising plays a very vital role for the sale of primary and the secondary goods. In the next class, we will be going to learn about the tertiary or service industry. With that, we will be going to learn the commerce. Thank you.